Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix battle.net stuck on initialization. So guys, before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So first step is to restart battle.net. For that you need to enter into your task manager and please enter the battle.net which is running on the background and close it. And the second step is to flush DNS and reset network. For that you need to enter into the CMD as run as administrator mode and copy the prompt in the description and paste it over there. Please copy one by one and paste it on the CMD. So once you're done, please type exit to exit from CMD. The third step is to delete battle.net cache file. For that you need to press Windows R and then type %local app data %. Please follow the video. Over there please click the Wizard Entertainment and delete the entire folder. So again you need to press Windows R and then type %program data % and then hit OK. Over there please delete the following folders. The fourth step is to disable VPN or proxy. For that you need to enter into settings, battle.net settings. Over there please enter into your downloads and enable automatic create desktop icon game during installation and the download limits. So guys, please make as 0 and please click done and then close it. So our fifth step is to log out and log in the battle.net. For that you need to enter into your battle.net and please simply press logout option and log in again. Yeah, so our sixth step is to disable proxy. For that you need to enter into your settings. Over there you need to enter network and internet and please scroll down, you may see proxy. Please make the proxy is in disable condition and then save it and then use the game. Seventh step is to change DNS server. For that you need to press Windows R and then type ncpa.cpl and then hit OK. Over there you need to select your network connection, enter into the property and then internet protocol and use the following DNS address as 8888 and 8844 and then click OK and then close it. So eighth step is to repair Windows system files. For that you need to enter into the command prompt as run as administrator mode and please copy the prompt in the description and paste it on the CMD and please have some patience to wait on the screen. It will load from 0 to 100. It may take at least 5 to 10 minutes. I'm just speeding up my video. So the same, you need to copy the prompt in the description, paste it on the CMD. Again you need to wait for 5 to 10 minutes. It need to be load from 0 to 100. So once it's done, please type exit to exit from CMD or simply you can close it. So our ninth step is to restart your PC. I hope you enjoy the video and the issue will be solved. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube. Bye bye.